Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video, I'm going to be taking a closer look at the AquaLung 5mm Superzip Boots. So these are a pair of 5mm boots, but they are very reinforced in key areas. They've got a really great feel to them. They are a flexible soled boot, so this is really kind of what a lot of divers are using, but they do have a reinforced sole. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so this is how they're going to arrive at your front door in this very crinkly, sorry for the noise, paper bag, but much better than a plastic bag. So yeah, I'm all for it. Paper bag, so yeah, you can recycle this. If I just open it gently, because it is kind of stuck down, I don't want to damage the paper bag too much. Okay, so inside of the crinkly paper bag, you get your boots. So they are tied together. You can obviously undo that, and you get a little leaflet just telling you a little bit about the neoprene, I imagine, the ergonomic design, the flat lot stitching, grip thread, and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, let's take a closer look at the boots themselves. Right, so the boot itself, yeah, 5mm of neoprene, so nice chunky neoprene to keep your feet nice and warm. They've got a slightly heightened sort of top section here, so that when you're trying to pull them on, you actually get that bit of a tab just to pull it over your heel and help yourself get into the boots. All of the stitching is what they call flat lock stitching. It looks more like blind lock to me, but yeah, they say it's sort of flat lock, but that's actually pretty soft against your skin, so that's not going to sort of rub too badly anywhere in particular. The main selling point about these boots are in these kind of protected areas. So just here on the top of the foot, you have this section of vulcanized rubber, which has this sort of pattern detailing on it, and that's for the foot pocket of your fin. So when your fins go on, they're going to sort of push up against that. That's going to stop it from wearing away on your boots. If you don't have something here, then the fin pocket, the foot pocket on your fins just ends up wearing away on the neoprene. So that's protecting your boot from there. You also have more of this detailing over the front of the feet, again just adding more protection all the way around the sides and over the tops. So when you're putting your feet into your fins, they just kind of wedge in, they stay in position, they're not going to wobble around too much, but it's protecting the boots from wear and tear. Same thing on the heel, all up on the heel you have more of this, and this is for the fin strap. Again, it gives you protection, but it's also adding a bit of grip, something for your heel strap to hold on to so that it doesn't slip over your heel. On the underside, on the sole of the boot, you'll notice it's not quite a traditional shoe shaped. This is their ergo design, so it's actually a bit more ergonomically designed for most people's feet, so it gives you a bit more space where you need it, so it's going to be much more comfortable, especially when you're walking around on the deck of the boat. The sole itself is nice and thick, and it has this really aggressive tread on it as well. So again, when you're walking around on sort of wet and slippery sort of surfaces, it gives you a bit of grip, sorry. And it's pretty tough. As much as it is flexible, it will bend and flex, so it feels like most other scuba diving boots. It does protect from sharps from getting through, and if you step on something uncomfortable like a rock, then it gives you a bit more protection, so you're protected. The zipper, you get a chunky zipper, and it's got this Velcro locking mechanism in position just to stop it from sliding down, so that's not going to undo whilst you're on the dive. Unzip that, pull that down, nice long zipper, so you get plenty of space to get into it, and it's gusseted as well. You have this thin section of neoprene underneath it, so that the water can't just flush straight through into the boot. On the inside, bright blue, sort of AquaLung blue, and then on the inside, it's just nice, soft neoprene. The stitching, pretty soft. It's not sort of scratchy. You can't feel any of the glue or anything. So yeah, a really nice pair of boots. Okay, so that's the AquaLung Superzip 5mm boots. I really like these. These are going to be a good all-rounder of a pair of boots. 5mm thick is sort of where most people end up getting their boots. And these are a good, tough, but also flexible pair of boots. It's normally a trade-off between if you want a really tough pair of boots, then you end up just with a rigid sole, which can be quite uncomfortable. But these are kind of that best of both worlds, where you do have that flexibility in the boot, so they're still really comfortable, but they are reinforced in the key areas, so they're nice and tough. There's going to be more information about them on our website, simplyscuba.com. Click on the link down in the description below to check them out. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.